Hey there, fellow viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we will explain on how to uninstall the Turn Off the Lights Opera extension. Let's dive right in. For those who are new to the Turn Off the Lights extension, let's have a quick overview. Turn Off the Lights is a fantastic Opera extension that enhances your online video watching experience. It dims the background of the web page and highlights the video player, making your videos stand out and reducing distractions. In your Opera web browser, search for the gray lamp button in the toolbar. Now, click the right mouse button on the gray lamp button, and a context menu will show up. Next, click on the menu item, Remove Extension. Confirm the removal when prompted. And there you have it, folks. You've learned how to uninstall the Turn Off the Lights Opera extension. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials, and hit that notification bell, so you never miss any updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.